Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to add a new page to WordPress menu. So for you to be able to add a new page to your WordPress menu, you have to click on the page option, which is at the left side corner of your screen. Just tap on the page, and this will take you down to the list of pages that you have on your website. These are the available pages. Actually, currently this website is under develop. I actually have about 3 pages on this website. So if you want to generate a new page, just click on the add new page from here. Or you can also use this drop down option to select the type of page that you want. You can want a classic editor's page, or you want a block editor's page, or if you don't want that, just close the drop down button and tap on add a new page, and this will create a new page menu for your site. And from there you can simply add block to your new page. So right currently page is trying to generate, so the WordPress server is trying to generate page. Yeah, this is add a new page. So from here you can pick a blind layout to start with a blank page. So these are the pre-layouts that you can use for your page on your website. So I'm just going to add this layout page, which is a blog post. Just going to tap on it. Then from here I can pick from the type of layout. I can pick the type of layout that I want. So let me just pick this layout. As you can see, this is the layout right here. And from here I can simply edit it from here. I can edit, I can use all this font from here, all this, the bold, the italics, the link. You can also add link or a URL. You can also use this option to find your page. After that, then just click on publish, and this will be published, and that's it. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button